Hi, I'm Professor Josh Davis, an infectious diseases doctor and the co-lead of the RoadMap trial. The RoadMap trial is designed and run by orthopaedic surgeons, infectious diseases physicians, microbiologists and researchers from several countries around the world, initially including Australia, New Zealand, Canada, the United Kingdom and likely other countries to follow. The study is being coordinated from the University of Newcastle in Australia. RoadMap is looking at treatments for infections in artificial knee and hip joints. It's a randomised clinical trial, which means that we will be comparing different treatments against each other to find out which treatment might work the best. See our other video to learn more about what a prosthetic joint infection is. Sometimes there's more than one treatment for a disease or condition, all of which work, but we don't know which one works the best. In this situation, your doctor will choose the treatment based on their opinions and experience, but without knowing for sure that it's the best treatment. In a randomised trial like RoadMap, instead of your doctor choosing the treatment, you will be randomly allocated to a treatment. The RoadMap trial team then collect information about the treatment used and its results to learn which one is actually the best. When we're comparing two or more treatments which we already know are safe and effective, this is called a comparative effectiveness trial. If you want to know more about this type of trial, and also about simplified consent for research, please see the videos available on our website. RoadMap is broken into different parts, with each part focusing on a different type of treatment. These research areas are called domains. More detail on each domain is given on separate videos available on the RoadMap website. Each trial domain has been carefully considered and designed by the international research team. RoadMap has also been reviewed and approved by research ethics committees around the world and also at each individual hospital that's in the trial. To help explain the study further, we will now briefly describe the RoadMap trial and introduce each domain.
Hi, I'm Professor Laurens Manning, an infectious diseases doctor and the co-lead of the RoadMap trial. The first area we're looking at is the surgical domain. In this, we are testing whether it's better to keep the original artificial joint in place after cleaning it up, or if it's better to replace the infected artificial joint with a brand new prosthetic joint. The second area is called the antibiotic choice domain. Here we will test whether adding an antibiotic called rifampicin to standard antibiotics is more likely to cure your infection. The standard antibiotics will be chosen by your treating team depending on what germs are causing your infection and your medical history. Rifampicin is not new and has been used for many years for bone infections as well as many other kinds of infection. The third domain is the antibiotic duration domain. In this domain, we will test whether antibiotics work better for prosthetic joint infection if given for a longer period of time, in this case about 12 weeks, compared with shorter durations of time. The time period or duration of the short course is dependent on what operation the participant has had done. Patients, if they choose to participate, are encouraged to participate in all the domains of the RoadMap trial that are available at the hospital site. But there may be times when all three are not available at the site, or there may be reasonable reasons why some patients don't qualify for a particular domain. Or you may choose not to participate in a domain that is available. One other interesting thing about the RoadMap trial is that it's an adaptive trial. This means that it adapts and changes as the trial proceeds. For example, if one treatment is found to be clearly better than another, all patients within the whole trial will be recommended to receive that treatment from then on. As the trial results accumulate, our statisticians analyse these data in near real time. This means we'll know sooner which of the treatments in each part of the trial is the most effective. For more information about adaptive trials, please see the video on our website. You should also know that the RoadMap trial has an independent data and safety monitoring committee, which regularly reviews the study and its findings to ensure participant safety is maintained and that the results are acted on in a timely way. Further information and videos about the RoadMap trial and prosthetic joints in general can be found at the RoadMap trial website, and of course from your medical team or the research staff and they can answer any questions you may have. We hope that you'll consider participating in the RoadMap trial.